Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be unboxing the Fabfitfun for spring 2020. And it came in a bigger box because it had two add-ons, so I think that's why it didn't come in just a normal outer box, or the normal like pretty box. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Sophia is covered in makeup because she decided she wanted to put on makeup this morning too, and she obviously did a very good job, didn't you? Why are you sucking on your finger? Anyways, and also if you like my eyeshadow look, I just filmed one palette for 1 week. I don't think it'll be up before this, on the Alter Ego Goddess palette, so be sure to check that out. I'm going to be doing all sorts of looks throughout the week, but this was just day one, so let's get into the unboxing of this. So I had a big bubble wrap bubble thing and lots of cardboard. Okay, so yeah, my add-ons are here, and I think this is my receipt for my add-ons. Okay, it doesn't say how much it was, but I had two add-ons that I got. My first add-on was the Ciate London Glitter Flip Holographic Glitter Transforming Lipsticks. So one of them's normal and one of them's holographic. I didn't know they made holographic. Okay. Essentially, the Glitter Flip lipsticks, if you didn't know, it's just like a normal liquid lipstick, and then you press your lips together, and whenever you open them back up, it's like glitter. So I thought that was really cool, and they were in like neutral colors. So the holographic one is in Crush, and the nude one is in Undressed. Assistant, what are you doing? So let's go ahead and open these up, and I'll probably try on the Undressed one. But I like the packaging on it. It's got glitter. So this color seems like a color I would normally wear, like a nice pinky color. Okay, I had to stop and feed Neil for a second, but I was on this one, and it is the normal glitter flip and Undressed, which I'll probably try this on for you now because I think it might go with this look. And I think what you do, so it says, so you just put it on, then put your lips together, and it has glue. Simply apply one even coat. Let dry for 1 minute. Ooh. It says you can keep pressing it for a more glittery look. So let's go for it. And this is the mirror I have, and it's probably not going to be applied evenly, but let's try. Hers is getting glittery a little bit on the inside, but she can't really, she doesn't understand what I'm saying, so I don't know, regard that, but my lips just look kind of crusty. So I don't know. I don't know if that actually worked, but I mean, I think the set of them, I think it was like $11 or $14. I don't even remember because it doesn't have the thing on there, but so I'm not mad at it. I'm not that worried about it because, I mean, it's a nice color regardless. The second add-on is the SPF RX Radiant Lips Lip Pumping Collection. So it is a set of 3 different lipsticks, liquid lipsticks, and I think that they're just like cream lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. I don't think they are matte, or glossy. I don't actually know. So to me, this really reminded me of like Lip Sense. Kind of has similar packaging too, but I thought it was cheap, and I really like these lip colors on me, so I thought they were worth a try. So I don't think these have shades. Oh wait, yes they do. Just kidding. So this is in the Ultra Rich Lip Pumping Lipstick in Simply There. It's just like a brownie orange color. Then we have like a terracotta one, well, burnt sienna. And then you just have the lip plumping volumizer, and it's just like a clear. So let me read the directions real quick and see what you're supposed to do. Okay, so it just says apply to lips twice daily for 30 days. For a matte look, apply as often as needed to achieve desired color. Okay, so long-term benefits. Okay, I didn't even realize that, but so it is just these 3 colors in a clear gloss, and I don't really have a clear gloss, so I thought this would be nice to have and also to put on at night or something. But I really like these colors, so I'm really happy with the add-ons that I chose. I wasn't really interested in any of the other ones, so I'm glad that I got these. Okay, now we'll get to the fun part, which is the actual box itself, and it is so cute for spring. I like to use these for gifts afterwards. Oh, I forgot there's a big sticker or tape, big tape sticker. Let's see if I can get this off quickly. All right, you ready, Sophia? You want to see what's in here? Okay, so let's open it up. Oh, bend backwards. And here is this, and you have your magazine and a HelloFresh coupon and a Bite Beauty thing, or Bite Teeth. I don't really know. Oh, I didn't even mention what Fabfitfun even was. If you didn't know, Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription. You get it 4 times a year: spring, summer, fall, winter. And if you pay seasonally, it's $49.99, but usually you can get a coupon and get it for $39.99. Or if you pay yearly, I think it's like $200, so you save some money. And if you are an annual member, you do get to pick a few more customizations in your box. But I'm just a seasonal member, so I get to pick 3 items. And you usually get over $200, $250 worth of products. So let's go ahead and see what I got. So like I said, there's the HelloFresh coupons and like everything. And, okay, this is like an Invisalign type thing, but it's called Bite. And then you have the magazine. Gina Rodriguez is on the front of this one. Oh, goodness. Neil's coughing. And this just has all the products, everything you've got in your box, and lets you know more information on it. Sometimes there's coupon codes and stuff, too. Okay, Sophia, you want to help me open it? Alright. So let's get into this. Alright, what's the first thing you see? Oh, beautiful. Can you show them what it is? And then here, show them on the camera what it is. You gotta show them on the camera, and I'm gonna find it in the box. So this is something that I picked out, and it's 3A. So this is the Amber Skeets double coin necklace, and it just is a simple double coin necklace, a layered necklace. And this necklace is $50. So I really like gold jewelry, and I like the coin trend. It's just really simple. Like, it would even look cute with the sweater I'm wearing now. And it's just nice to have. So $50, that's already over the value, or is the price of the box. So I'll go ahead and put this on so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the necklace on. And it looks a little crazy because I have big earrings on too, and this is like a cow neck sweater. But it's really, really sweet. I think it's like a 16 or 18 inch necklace, but I really like that a lot. So we will go on to the next item. Sophia, you want to go to the next item? Can you see what else we got in here? Okay, what else do we have? What are you going to pick? So the next thing Sophia chose, which this is something I didn't pick, so this must just come in every box. It is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. So this is a lotion by This Works. It's 3.3 fluid ounces. So let's see if we can find it. I think it might be on the back. Okay. 6A. Okay. This is $40. Holy crap. That is very expensive. Oh my gosh, she's knocking over my light. Very expensive. Sophia, you want to try this lotion out? You want to try this lotion? Oh! My goodness. That... I just got that all over the magazine. That smells... Oh, natural. It smells natural and not really in a good way, in my opinion. I mean, it feels nice. It feels like a lotion. $40 though for a lotion, pretty expensive. Oh, I don't even. What is the smell in this? I don't know what that is, but not a fan of the scent. I mean, it feels really nice and moisturizing, but oh, that is strong, my friends. Okay, let's keep going. All right, pick the next thing, Sophia. This one? Okay. So this is from AG Hair Care Fast Food Leave-On Conditioner Moisture. Okay, so it's a leave-on conditioner for your hair. Let's see if we can open it. Hold on, let's try to find it. It's not, this goes in your hair, Sophia. Okay, this is 5A. Hold on. So, instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. Never use that amount of heat on your hair, please. With the power of quinoa, protein, macadamia oil, and soy. And this is $31. I got a hair product, I think, in my last Fabfitfun box. And it was also like $30. Smell it. That smells so good. Smells very, like, fruity. Oh, this... It smells pretty good. I don't know. Do you use these on dry or wet? Or... I don't know. The leave-on conditioner for your hair, $30. Pretty good. Well, we gotta wait till we take a bath tonight. Okay? We'll use it when we take a bath. Okay? Can you grab the next thing out of here? This? Okay. So this is... Okay. Let's see. Okay. This is by Thermally Avang Thermal Spring Water. It's for sensitive skin, soothing, anti-irritating, hypoallergenic. It's just like a spray for your face. It's in like a aerosol can. Spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften skin. And it's $14. So I guess I could use this as a setting spray. I could probably also wet my beauty blender with this. So this will be nice to have. I mean, just spray your face throughout the day. I guess I can open it up and try it out now. Because I didn't set my face or anything. Okay. So let's see the sprayer. Okay. It seems like a lot comes out, but I think I totally missed my face. Okay. I mean, it feels refreshing. Gives a nice dewy glow. So I think it is just water. It is literally just spring water. So canned water for $14. Yay. The next thing I have is something I picked out. And it is the Murad Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. It's a treatment. Apparently it's step 2 out of something. Oh my god, I didn't realize how expensive this was. Holy crap. So it says, this is so small. Is this full size? Oh, it is. What I wanted to get out of this choice was the Tardis palette, but it was already sold out by the time I went and chose it. So I chose this. And formulated with collagen amino acid, this treatment visibly minimizes the look of lines and wrinkles. And it's $78. Is Murad normally that expensive? Holy crap. I'm not even going to touch that because I don't want to waste any product. So I'm excited for that, but I will never repurchase that because $78. That makes me sick. Okay, the next thing in here is by Marianella. It's rosewood and Litsi Cubea body oil with mangano and pomegranate oil. So it's 4 ounces. And this was just something that was in the box. I didn't pick this out. And it is $68. So we got a lot of expensive products in here. I don't know if I like the smell of that either. They all smell just like super, super natural, like essential oily. That is expensive, but I will be sure to try that. So hopefully it moisturizes my skin really nicely. And then I have this, which I think everybody got in their box so far from all the unboxings I've seen. Everyone's gotten this. And it is a package of reusable straws. They're silicone. Hey, dude, let go. It's a package of silicone straws, bendy, and it comes with a cleaner and a little travel case, so you just fold up your straw and take it with you, which I think is a great idea. I have glass reusable straws that I really like, and I'm excited to try silicone ones because I've never tried those before. And this is, I think it's $14. $15. So that's really nice, and reusable straws are great. So excited about those. And I think this is the last thing in my box, and it is something that I picked out, and it is by Caravan Design Well Traveled, it says, and it is $48. Oh my gosh. I'm going to actually use this as a bath mat in my bathroom, but it is a black and white rug, woven rug. So this would be good to put in the shower if you can see it, but it's really cute. And it feels really thick and well made, but $48 seems a bit pricey, but I don't know. I'll definitely go check out their website and stuff too because this is really cute. Neil is just crying. So that was everything in my box. I feel like we went through that pretty quickly. But let me do the math real quick and let's see how much my box was worth. I did the math and my entire box is worth $337, which is a great value. I'm almost done. Which is a great value because I only spent $49 on all this. $50 basically. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. The things I'm most excited about, I'm excited about the coin necklace, this rug, it's going to look so cute in my bathroom, and the straws. And then the skincare and moisturizer stuff, I'm excited about. I'm excited to try that Murad thing. Everything else, I'm not like super excited about, but I mean, they're nice to have, and I don't have to repurchase a moisturizer now, or like hair care, body oil, so it's just nice to have. Oh, thank you. I need the magazine in there too. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm also really excited about all the add-ons that I chose too. I really like this lip color, and Sophia's looks cute on her even though she's like smeared it everywhere. I'm excited about that, and I'm excited to try the lip plumping. So definitely go to my goddess video, the alter ego palette, because I'll probably be using those lip colors with the looks. It'll be up after this though, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Can you tell them bye? Bye. Well, come say bye to the camera.
Hi. Hi.